Hello! In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up a text-to-win campaign. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns. Click on the plus button to add a new campaign. Then, choose Text to Win. Select the shortcode and SMS account. Assign a keyword for your campaign. A keyword is a unique word or short phrase that the user can text into the shortcode or texting number to enter the contest. The keyword must be 4 or more characters. Give some relevant name for the contest. Select the start and end date and time for the contest. Click on Instant Win if you prefer that strategy. Select Win Odds. Enter the maximum number of winners. 0 is for unlimited number of winners. If you want to allow users to re-enter the contest, check the Multiple Entries checkbox. Re-entry duration time restricts the re-entry time window. You can edit the winner response. You can add MMS, click-through URLs, and mobile coupons to your message. You can also edit loser responses and other response messages. Click Save to save your campaign. If you wish to distribute any game codes or coupon codes, you can include this in the winner or entry responses. This is the most used feature in the Text-to-Win campaign. Remember to upload your own coupon code or generate any mobile coupon code module. Watch the How to Generate a New Mobile Coupon Codes video for more information. Now, let's test the campaign. Thanks for watching.